Upla Lotak, Kanuit Pisi. Today is Thursday. What day? All day today, let's be responsible. Always try to do our best. Cooperate with others and let's treat everyone with respect, including ourselves. Who here has frequent fights with their siblings? Me. I fought with my brother yesterday and we were on a video call and he lives in India, so we were FaceTiming and he started teasing me about something which he knew that I really get annoyed when he says things like that or in a particular mean way. So I was all ready to yell at him, but I said myself, Surmeet, stop. I took a deep breath and calm myself. Guys, I'm telling you, it was not easy, but I did it. I stopped myself from yelling at him and I took a deep breath and I started the conversation by saying that Siddhak, that's his name. So I told him, I feel really annoyed when you tease me like that. I want you to stop teasing me and I want you to respect me. And he went, what? Oh, okay, I'm sorry, I won't do that again. And I was just kidding. And then I told him, but it's not funny to me. It hurts my feelings. And he had no idea that the way he was kidding with me was hurting my feelings. So it was a good conversation that I was able to tell him how his joking around makes me feel. So we ended up on a good note, and usually it would turn into a big fight where we blame each other, but this time it just ended up me telling him how I feel and he apologizing to me. So it was kind of cool using I statements and telling myself to stop and breathing to calm myself before I used I statements. So I hope you guys use I statements too, and with your friends and with at home, it would help you especially during a conflict situation. So to conclude our conversation on I statements, I have a really cool video that I would like to show. Are you guys ready for that? Hang in there.
You're the problem. You need to listen to me. You pushed me. That's stupid. That's just offending. You idiot. I didn't do that. Raise your hand if you've ever had a conflict. Be honest. Okay. If you're not raising your hand, you're probably forgetting something. Okay, fine. Kind of conflict. Conflicts are part of life. Some people say, I have the right to blame someone if they do something bad to me. I'm crying! Go ahead. Blame everybody you want. Have yourself a blame or all party. It's your fault. Your fault. You did it, Mom! But what do you want to happen? Do you want the person to blame you? Or do you want them to listen to you? When you say you're giving your power away. Take it back. Take your power back. You can say, I feel frustrated, sad, really upset when I get into arguments with my brother. When I get left out. When I get pushed off to the side because I need space, peace, safety, and understanding. Could you help out? Not push me anymore. Let me play with you. It's how you deal with the problem. That's what matters.
So I did realize that was a weird way to show you guys the video. I actually took a video off a video to put it on this app and use it in the assembly. For some reason I couldn't use YouTube video, but anyway this was the only way I was able to figure it out. But I hope you guys liked the video. It was really cool the way kids in the video were using I statements. They were specific about how they feel, why they feel a certain way, and what do they need, right? That was pretty cool. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed last night's Oktoberfest games, and if you want to attend games today, make sure you are not on gym list. And student athletes who are participating in games today and tomorrow, make sure you guys are not on gym list either. I hope you guys have fun learning today. Have a great day. Take care.